Yo brothers, it's nice to see you on the Crypto Gangster channel where I'm showing you the best banger crypto projects. And today we are looking at Sonm, decentralized fog computing platform. Before we get any further though, remember that nothing in this video is financial advice. Please do your own research and only invest what you are willing to lose. So Sonm, decentralized FOG or fog computing platform. Sonm provides cloud services based on a distributed customer level hardware, including PCs, mining equipment, and servers. You can either rent out your hardware or use someone else's computing power for your needs. So they work with OpenFog, founded in 2015, Cloud 28 Plus, Post Keynote FX, and even more. So decentralized cloud services. You rent other people's computing power all around the planet from the global resource pool at a net cost without enterprise margin charges. Fog computing backend. Be part of the fog with Sonm. We invite hardware suppliers to join the platform and benefit from helping customers run even more calculation intensive tasks and smart contract based marketplace. Sonm is a self-supporting marketplace where you can trade computing power using an internal currency, the SNM token. And the current solutions, we are developing a universal IT infrastructure capable of performing CGI rendering tasks, neural network training algorithms, hosting websites, and other applications. Infrastructure for blockchain applications. Infrastructure provided by Sonm allows to run any decentralized applications or host blockchain-based services which need computing resources for it to work. For example, such well-known projects as Golem, IXEC, SIA, Elastic, etc. We have machine learning. Sonm can provide a massive pool of available GPU machines. The powers can be used to run a training on GPU or parallel training to optimize meta parameters. Sonm supports TensorFlow and CUDA for your application inside Docker environment. Video rendering on CPU/GPU. Unlimited resources for GPU rendering with low overhead and competing prices. This kind of resource works well with existing commercial rendering software like Redshift and Deadline. CDN and video streaming. The distributed fog computing structure of Sonm is perfect for the CDN establishment. Hundreds of Sonm nodes around the globe allow you to serve content and organize effective balancing and scalability. So we have computing, software components, and technologies and features. So fog computing. The main idea is the use of a decentralized network formed from disparate individual computing devices as opposed to a single data center structure. What distinguishes fog from cloud services is that in this case the computing resources are decentralized. Instead of being provided by some centralized data center or supercomputer or server, the accumulated resource is delivered from individual computing devices. This makes it possible to build extremely scalable and distributed systems that can achieve performance and efficiency, not available with traditional cloud-based architecture. The main aim of Sonm is to attract private users and data centers with free computing resources and to form an open market based on these resources. A market where buyers on a competitive basis can find resources to run their application. So Sonm Pulse. Current deals is 115 with a total of 432,000 deals. Average duration is around 4 hours and there is a total of 2 million hours in total duration. We don't have workers currently and 141 customers. So there is actually a map here which hasn't loaded, but it shows active workers with deals and without deals all around the globe. And then buying Sonm token is simple. The SNM token is an internal currency of the Sonm computing power marketplace. With SNM, you get access to unlimited resources powered by Sonm. With a market cap of $12 million, price of 27 cents, and we have 44 million tokens. Also, you can buy it with a credit card, you can store and hold it with different wallets, and even exchange your coins to SNM. So you can use Binance, CoinOne, KuCoin, Yobit, and we have some latest news here. So they're hopping into the metaverse and launched onto Binance. You can be the necessity of IoT success. And Sonm meets 5G architecture for the next era of fog computing. So really cool stuff here. The decentralized way of computing, a lot better than the standard centralized cloud data servers. Again, the software components of this is made up of the following. So you have a GUI wallet, CLI, API node, worker. Then there's a component for search, gatekeeper, blockchains, nodes, etc. And the technologies and features. The emergence of public cryptocurrencies, namely Bitcoin and Ethereum, clearly show the sustainability of decentralized systems. The kind of systems have benefits and advantages not achievable by traditional centralized systems: transparency and community trust, overall reliability, censorship-free, geographical distribution, global availability with the use of public cryptocurrencies, involvement of people as opposed to companies, etc. So in order to run the solutions with Sonm, we need the following technologies: blockchain and smart contracts, profiles and a rating system, decentralized marketplace, peer-to-peer networking, and Docker containers. So it is a really cool platform and marketplace here. As we can see, we've gone through the solutions, and I want to take a quick look at this profitability calculator here to see basically what systems could cost or what you can actually make. So for example, you can put in your GPU. So we can go for the top of the line here, a 2080 Ti. If you had one card there and your CPU, for example, say you had a higher level CPU here, we'll go for 16 gigabytes of RAM, and storage, we will go for 500 gigabytes. If you had a good internet connection as well, for example, a 300 gig download and a 100 gig upload, a megabit, sorry. And if you calculate this, it will give you a price estimate just of your own system, which is really interesting to see. So once this loads, we will get a price estimate for 1 hour, 24 hours, and 30 days. Of course, you would need to subtract your own electricity costs, or of course, just for running your system yourself. But for example, say you have a powerful system and you're not making the most of it, not using it. Okay, that one didn't go through. Maybe the service is down, but it's really cool here. Again, you can add your benchmarks, etc. You can see if you have a public IP, etc. But again, if you're looking for powerful systems, you can use Sonm, or if you have your own system, you can actually make some cash on the side. So there's a full documentation, which again, if you are really interested, you can read through this yourself because it's pretty long for one video, but you can look at miners, if it's a shared PC, different rigs, installations, a full get started guide. So for example, if I was a supplier, I would follow through this Sonm supplier guide pretty much on the main steps, how to set up your wallet. You can add your account. Of course, you need to install the platform software on your computer. And then here in the dashboard, you can see your wallet, your worker systems, similar to a normal mining system, I guess, but this is a decentralized way where you can actually make money off your computer performance. And then off a customer, it's basically a reverse process where you need to you can connect and use the, you need to install it. You use the SNM tokens on the SNM blockchain, which is required for all of this. And again, you don't even have to be involved with a consumer or a supplier. You can just hold the token if you have faith in the Sonm protocol and ecosystem and can make a return that way. But I hope you guys enjoyed this one. You've been watching the Crypto Gangster, and I'll be back with more banger crypto projects.